Welcome to Immigration Question News. Do you have an immigration question? Post your immigration question free and get answers from a licensed immigration attorney.
Good day and welcome. Here are this week's hot headlines on today's Cold Coffee. Grab your cup of coffee and let's dive in. This week, immigration enforcement and policy developments remained in focus across federal courts, agencies, and Congress. The week began with continued reports of extended stays in U.S. detention centers as court backlogs and limited judicial capacity affected migrants nationwide. Legal advocates highlighted challenges for detainees seeking voluntary departure or who are unable to return to their home countries. Midweek, courts and congressional hearings drew attention. A federal appeals court temporarily allowed the Trump administration to proceed with ending Temporary Protected Status TPS for certain nationals while litigation continues. A Tufts PhD student's deportation case was terminated, underscoring ongoing judicial oversight. Meanwhile, U.S. immigration leaders testified before Congress after Minneapolis protest-related fatalities, addressing enforcement policies, transparency, and officer conduct. Reports also reviewed misconduct cases among ICE staff as the agency's nationwide footprint expanded. Later in the week, Minnesota enforcement updates and DHS funding debates dominated headlines. President Trump announced the conclusion of the Minnesota deportation surge, while a federal judge ordered ICE to ensure detainees' attorney access. DHS ended TPS for Yemen, and a Senate Democratic report examined the taxpayer costs of third-country deportation agreements. The week closed with DHS facing a partial shutdown amid unresolved funding and enforcement negotiations. From legal developments to policy shifts, the week reflected the complex interplay of courts, federal enforcement, and congressional oversight. For the latest immigration news, download the free immigrationquestion.com app or visit our website. Post your immigration questions for free and get answers from licensed attorneys.
Do you have an immigration question? Visit immigrationquestion.com. Register for free. Post your immigration question free. Get your answer from a licensed immigration attorney. Download the Immigration Question app and post your immigration question free.